we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Filigo Handheld Vacuum Cordless Rechargeable 2-speed modes, 3-in-1 portable cordless vacuum cleaner with charging dock. Consists of the following features. Powerful and quiet dual-speed suction. This cordless vacuum cleaner features 2 modes, max, 17,000 PA, for deep cleaning, and eco, 7,500 PA, for everyday messes. Operating under 75 decibels, it cleans powerfully without disturbing your home or pets. Long-lasting battery and smart display. Powered by a 7,800 mAh lithium-ion battery, this portable vacuum cleaner runs up to 36 minutes in eco mode or 15 in max mode, enough to clean your car, stairs, or living space on a single charge. The built-in LED HD display shows your current mode and battery level. 2 charging methods. This handheld vacuum cleaner charges 2 ways, on the included dock, for storage plus charging, or via any USB-C power source. A full charge takes just 3.5 to 4 hours. Attention, cannot be used while charging. Designed for easy cleaning. Lightweight and portable, this car vacuum cleaner weighs just 1.5 pounds, perfect for quick cleanups at home, in the car, or on the go. Empty the 300 ml dust cup with a single button press, fast, hygienic, and mess-free. 3-in-1 cleaning tool. Includes a flexible hose for accessing hard-to-reach areas, a crevice nozzle designed for tight corners and car vents, and a brush nozzle that effectively removes pet hair from carpets and upholstery. HEPA Plus reusable metal filter. This household vacuum cleaners includes a washable metal filter and 2 HEPA filters, 1 spare. They trap up to 99.99% of dust to protect the motor and ensure long-lasting performance. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.